Hello students, happy morning to Malawi students. How are you all? That's great students. It's important to take care of our health as well as the health of the family members. So students, we work on chapter 8, that is decimal numbers. We have already completed our first exercise. In that exercise, we learned how to read the decimal, how to write the decimal. We also learned the place value, expanded form of decimal, how to arrange, or I can say ascending as well as descending order of decimals. In second exercise, today we will be starting with our exercise 2 and this video will be our part 3. Exercise 2. So students, in this exercise 2, we will learn two main topics, that is how to convert fractions into decimal and how to convert decimal into fractions. फ्रैक्शन से डेसिमल और डेसिमल से फ्रैक्शंस, ये आज के दो मेन टॉपिक रहेंगे. सो लेट्स मूव. So students, our first topic of the day will be converting a decimal number into a fractions.
In a decimal number into a fraction. To convert a decimal number into a common fraction, we follow simple steps. Step 1. Write the decimal without the decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Step 2. Write 1 followed by as many zeros as the number of decimal places in the decimal as the denominator of the fraction. Step 3. Reduce the fraction to the lowest terms if possible. Let us take an example to understand it. Example. Convert 0.7 into a fraction. 0.7. 0.7 has one decimal.
Students, when we are supposed to convert decimal numbers into fraction, we have seen already the three main steps. First step is to write the number as it is. और मैं आपको एक शॉर्टकट मेथड सिखा देती हूँ. देखिए 0.7. सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? What you will do for this question 0.7. पॉइंट के बाद जो नंबर है उसको आप एज इट इज लिख लो 7. पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर्स है, कितने डिजिट्स है? 1. So divide by 10. Understood students? Let's take one more example. For example, I give you the question 15.26. तो आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? आप पहले जो भी नंबर है ना वो एज इट इज लिख लोगे. The number you will write as it is. फिर divide means upon जो हम fractions के लिए यूज करते हैं. पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर है? 2. तो नीचे हम 100 यूज करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? अगर पॉइंट्स के बाद 3 नंबर होते हैं तो आप 1000 यूज करते हैं. ओके. पॉइंट के बाद 1 नंबर, सो 10. If 2 numbers are there, then 100. And if 3 numbers are there, then we will use 1000 for it.
Please, so 0.7 is equal to 7 upon 10. Converting a fraction into a decimal number.
So now students, we will see that how we convert a fraction into a decimal number. पहले हमने देखा था कि हम डेसिमल से फ्रैक्शन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. नाउ इट इज रिवर्स.
When the denominator of a fraction is 10, 100 or 1000. Example. Convert each of the following into a decimal. A. 27 upon 10. B. 469 upon 100. Solution. A. 27 upon 10 is equal to 7 upon 10 is equal equal to 2 plus 7 upon 10 is.
Students, in this, what is done? 27 upon 10. This method is used when the denominator is having 10, 100 or 1000. In this case, we have 10. So हमने क्या किया? 27 upon 10 को डिवाइड करके उसको मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में लिख लिया. Then 2 को हमने रखा as it is, and then we done the fraction part, or I can say we have converted this fraction part into decimal. 7 upon 10 को मैंने convert किया 0.7 में. But for this we have shortcut too. First of all, जो नंबर है आपके in this a number is 27 upon 10. So first of all I will write 27. Okay, upon 10. 10 में कितने zeros है? 1. So पीछे से एक नंबर के बाद डॉट आ जाएगा. Let me take one another example. And let's take 5, 3, 6 upon 10. Now this is a fraction form. You are supposed to convert this into a decimal. So सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? जो नंबर है वो लिख लोगे 5, 3, 6. नीचे कौन सा डिजिट है? 10. That means 10 के पास कितने zeros है? 1. So पीछे से एक नंबर छोड़ के आप पॉइंट लगा लोगे. 6 को छोड़कर मैं पॉइंट लगा लूंगी. So my answer will be 53.6. Understood? अगर students same question में अगर 100 आ जाता, so मेरा आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा. वही पैटर्न करूंगी. सबसे पहले मैं इन्हें डिजिट्स लिख लूंगी. अब 100 है, that means 2 zeros. So I will place point after 2 numbers. 1, 2. 2 numbers के बाद मैं point place कर दूंगी. So in this case my answer will be 5.36. Okay students?
Is equal to 2 plus 0.7 is equal to 2.7. B. 469 upon 100 is equal to 469 upon 100 is equal to 4 plus 69 upon 100 is equal to 4 plus 0.69 is equal to 4.69.
So students, here we complete the discussion of our today's main 2 topics, that were how to convert a fraction into decimal and the decimal into fractions. Let's move to exercise. So students, your exercise 2. Your first question is, convert the following decimal into fractions in the lowest terms. We are supposed to convert this decimal into fractions. Our first answer, I can say the first question is 0.35. मैं इसको fractions में कैसे convert करूंगी? सबसे पहले तो मैं जो digits है मैं वही लिख लूंगी. 35 upon digits के बाद कितने zeros है? 2. So I will write 100 over here. Okay students, let's read the second question. Convert the following fractions into decimals. Now I am supposed to convert the following fractions into decimal. So students, you will be solving. Okay, let me solve one sum. Which one do you want I should solve it? D1. Okay, see. First of all, I will write the numbers. 8007 upon 1000. 1000 make it, sorry, upon will not come. 1000 में कितने numbers है? और I can say कितने zeros है? 3. So I will be placing the point after the 3 digits. We will always count the digits from backward. 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 8.007. Students, open your textbook. Page number 71, that is convert a decimal number into fractions and convert a fraction into decimal number. On page number 72. Now come on page number 73. Here you can see when the numerator of a fraction is divided by the denominator. यहाँ पे आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है, जब भी फ्रैक्शंस अलग अलग हो तो हम उसे डिवाइड करेंगे और उसका आंसर निकालेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सॉल्व C1. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. 19 upon 4. So now I will divide this. 4, 19. 4 4s are 16. So students, 4 4s are 16. The remainder will be 3. अब मैं क्या करूँगी, ऊपर एक डेसिमल लगाऊंगी. Here will be 0. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. So 4 7s are 28. 2 4 5s are 20. So for this one, my answer will be 4.75. So students, अगर कभी 10, 100 or 1000 होगा, you can do directly. But when it comes to the different denominator, we will divide it. Okay students? So students, here we complete our exercise 2. And I hope you will complete the worksheet as well as you will complete the notebooks. Bye students, take care, have fun.